We are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It is your girl, the best fowler, and I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Shout out to our new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, go watch part 1 to this video. In part 1, I did a repair and a fill-in, and in this video today, we are going to be doing a nail design. We are using different shades of browns and golds. We're keeping it very fall-like. In order to fit this whole process into one video that wasn't an hour long, I did speed up the clips. I hope this doesn't bother you. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Wednesday, November 22nd, and it is 12:30 in the morning. So it just turned to Wednesday, for real, for real. And then tomorrow is Thanksgiving. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Drop it down in the comments section. Let me know what y'all are eating. Let me know if you had to go to work. If you had to go to work, did you get paid? Double time? I hope so. I really hope that for you. But if you are having a great day, go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comment section. If you're not having the best day, I do hope that my video brings you some joy. Starting this video off with the base of the nail design that we're going to be doing today. This is not really a recreation. I didn't look at one picture and be like, oh yeah, I want to do exactly what they did. No, I just saw a bunch of designs off of Instagram, off of TikTok, and I just came up with something. I really didn't have any rhyme or reason. I just knew what colors. As y'all already saw, I started off with that nude base, and this was a little bit premature. Like I said, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so you will see in the video that I didn't know what I wanted to do. But for this pinky finger, we did a swirly design using a dark brown, and that's really like the way I can describe it. It was going well, then it wasn't going well, then it was going well, and then I was like, okay, whatever. On the ring finger, I did the same type of design, which was the swirly lines, and the same thing happened as what happened on the pinky. I didn't know what I was doing, didn't know where I was going with this design, so it shows in the video, and I did keep all of these mistakes and mishaps in because I want you to see how a real design actually goes down. It's never one shot and it's done. It's typically 2-3 times, and maybe you get it right, maybe you don't, and you have to do it again. But sometimes you have to just let it be at some point. Like at some point you got to just be like, okay, enough is enough. This is what we got. This is what we going with. If you don't like it later on, oh well, too bad. Try again next time, like next design next time, not in the same set. But 9 times out of 10, what you put down the first time is probably what you should keep because it doesn't look as bad as you think it do. And I learned that literally every time I go back and edit my videos. I'll be like, oh, that was cute. I should have kept it, but oh well. So in my mind, I saw swirly lines and they weren't connecting. That's what I saw in my mind. So when I started doing this design, it was like, girl, this is not what you got in mind, but I didn't want it to look exactly like the pinky. So I kind of struggled trying to make the lines look good, but not the same. It was really hard, but like I said, I had in mind, I didn't want the lines to touch. So when I started doing this nail, it was like, oh, this is cute the way it's going, but you don't want the lines to touch. So you have to start over. You have to wipe this off. You have to start over. And that's what I did. This is a little bit off topic, but I feel like this video is long, so we have a little bit of time where we could just chop it. So I want to talk to you guys about a couple of shows that I've been watching lately, and I've been watching them mainly on Netflix. The first one being The Family Business. If you are watching or have watched The Family Business, please let me know in the comment section. We need to talk because that show was insane, y'all. And I cannot wait for them to make another season. I feel like it's unfinished. I finished it in like 3-4 days. Like, it was so good. As soon as I started watching it, I was like, oh yeah, I'm hooked. I can't even. So I got like all my friends a lot of my family members. I got everybody hooked that I could think of because it's so good. And I just want to know if y'all saw what I saw and if y'all are as intrigued as I am and if y'all are interested in seeing the next season like I am because, whoa, The Family Business on Netflix. Check it out. Next things next, I am currently watching, what is this show called? The First Wives Club. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is another one and it got Jill Scott in it. And I'm sorry if you haven't watched it. So, like, if you haven't watched it, skip ahead a little bit. But I'm going to do a little spoiler. Why do Jill Scott keep on getting these roles where she is like seen as this unattractive loser type of chick? Like, and it's like so many roles that I can just think of that she always kind of get the short end of the stick and then she has to come back and she has to boss up. Why can't she just start off, on top? Why is it that she always got to be like deemed as less attractive or not as I don't know, desirable is the word, but it just kind of rubs me the wrong way anytime I see her in those type of roles because Jill Scott is that girl, like literally that girl every single time. And I don't know, the struggle that she have to go through when it comes to like relationships and I don't know, but this show is really good too. I'm not done watching it, but I am almost done. Like I probably got like one more episode. I fell asleep on it earlier, but yeah, y'all, those two definitely run. I'm talking RUN, run to go watch because they good. They good as hell. So I took this color that I got from Amazon. It is like a dark burgundy with gold and orange glitters in it. I don't know if this is burgundy or dark brown. I really can't tell. On top of the dark brown lines, you can't tell either, so it worked out perfectly. But you can still see those glitters, which make the nail design definitely pop, in my opinion. But I got this out of that Kastiny set. Kastiny. I don't know how to say it, but I got it out of that $4 Amazon set that I had swatched for you guys a while back. It was like 32 polishes for $4, and I was bragging and I was real happy about it. This is one of those polishes, and I'm finally getting around to using it. And I'm really happy that I did pull this. I actually used a lot of polishes from that set. I did swatch them in my last video, so part 1. I forgot to save the footage of part 1 of me swatching, so I'll see if I can screen record, but you should just go back and watch part 1 of this video because why not? It was this nail that kind of solidified that I had no clue what the heck I was doing, and I was not really liking where this nail design was going. It was very repetitive, very boring. Even though we added that glitter, it still was not doing what we needed it to do. So it was this nail that I knew I effed up. I pulled this gold out a long time ago, like this and that dark brown glitter color. I knew that I wanted to incorporate those into the design, but for some reason, when I first got started with the nail design, I started doing this whole base of this nude color, and I forgot that I had the gold. So my little genius self decided that I was gonna put the gold on top of the nude, and yeah, no, it's not really giving what it needs to give. Even if I would have did 2 coats, it just was not going to work. So, like I said, this is the nail that solidified that I had no clue what the heck I was doing, and I needed to really start over. I take my drill and I file off the design on the ring finger because I knew darn well I didn't want the pinky and the ring finger to be the same design. Why I started that way, I have no clue, but I take the base color off of the ring finger. I leave it on the middle finger. I was supposed to also take it off of the pointer finger, but at this point in the video, I still don't know what it is I'm trying to accomplish, so I just left it. So I take the dark brown and I'm going to now polish the ring finger dark brown, and I'm going to put the glitter, the dark brown glitter with the gold and the orange flakes on top of that. Now that I've changed that ring finger, more of a clear idea and design is coming to mind. So I do like a half triangle design here, and then I also add an additional color into the mix to like spice everything up. By the time I got to the pointer finger, I was so tired. I didn't know that I was going to use that color on the full nail, and I don't think I realized I still had that nude base on the finger at this point. Like I said, I wanted to use that gold in this design, and I did. This was the perfect base color for that. I wish I would have taken the nude off first though, but whatever, you can't even tell. But yeah, I used the gold, and I did do 2 coats of the gold. I take the peanut butter-ish color and I do swirls on the thumb to match the pinky, and then I go in with the gold and I just trace it as I did on the pinky. And that is all for the design, so I'm just going to let you guys rock out, listen to some little cool, calm, collective music. I do want to thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload, and I will talk to you guys later.